Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the Volvo V40 front bumper. First, gather your tools, including Torx drivers, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Safely lift and support your car using jack stands or ramps. Then, open the hood to begin accessing the upper bumper fasteners and headlight components. Next, move to the underside of the bumper. You'll find about 8 T25 Torx screws along the bottom lip that need to be removed. Then, turn your front wheels to gain better access to the wheel arches. Here, remove 5 to 6 Torx screws from each side, securing the bumper to the fender. Gently pull back the inner fender lining to expose any additional hidden fasteners. Now, let's focus on the top section. Remove the metal splint from each headlight, then carefully pull the headlights forward and disconnect their electrical cables. If your car has headlight washers, detach those hoses too. Under the hood, you'll find about 5 to 7 plastic rivets and 2 T25 Torx screws along the top edge of the bumper that need to be removed. With all fasteners removed, gently pry the bumper away from the car, starting from the sides. Be mindful of any remaining electrical connections, such as fog lights or parking sensors, and disconnect them carefully. It's a good idea to have an assistant help you gently pull the bumper completely off and store it in a safe place to prevent any damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.